Hello, YouTube. We are going to Georgia today. This is all pre-recorded about 2-3 weeks ago. We are going out there to go get a little tractor and move some machinery into a auction yard, and we're going to go with my wife Jenny and our son Drew. We're going to be going over there. Going to go visit my in-laws there while I'm there. And I'm going to go visit the farm a little bit and tidy up some business ends over there. High price of fuel, very expensive to get there. But, it's just what it is. And with as busy as it's been around here on the farm on the hay and other matters, it's just that's when we could go. So anyway, you're going to be going across the Mississippi again twice. And I'm going to be pulling a big gooseneck trailer. And all that details, and going to do a little drone flying at a park there in Smyrna, Georgia. Gonna see some wooded areas. It's going to be kind of interesting, and hey, I hope you enjoy. Please hit that subscribe button down there. Also hit that little bell at the end. You'll be notified of my upcoming videos. Hit that like, hit a comment. And enjoy our working vacation. Thanks.
Hey Dad, what river is this?
Son, this is the mighty Mississippi, the old miss, the old man. Deep river. My home is over Jordan. What was he? Take me home, swing low, sweet chariot. The old miss, the old man. I'm a logger. Country come to town. What's the fuel price here? $4.99. Wow. But we was on 30, like 20 miles to empty. Country come to town. There's actually a flat on the other side. We couldn't get the air up. It was a rotten tire. Oh well. Hey everybody, welcome back to Essary Farms on YouTube. Today we are at Smyrna, Georgia, in a park out here near my mother-in-law and stepfather-in-law's community, and we are going to fly the drone. It's a kind of a new park. It's got some bicycle trails. Pretty neat little thing. If I was a city kid, this would be awesome. It's got a motorcycle, or not motorcycle, but bicycle trails, and what is that, Drew?
Dirt bike.
Not like for a dirt bike, is it?
I know that one over there is.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, I think it's just for BMX bikes. So that's what it's for. So,
Hello.
what's this place called, Wayne?
This is Cooper Lake Park.
Cooper Lake Park. Say that again, the Cooper Lake Park?
Yeah, it's Cooper Lake Park.
Okay, that's my father-in-law there, stepfather-in-law.
You're flying your drone at Cooper Lake Park.
I think that is a roller skate,
Skateboard.
yeah, a skateboard part there. And then it's got this place is just for the pedal dirt bikes, BMX little bikes, the little trails and stuff. Jerry, you just don't, you never have went up the little hills and stuff like that. I'm here with Drew also. He's gonna be my drone assistant. We never have flown in such a populated area before, so we decided to fly in this area. And I'm not used to all these trees. We've got a little garden spot here behind us, little old garden places you could rent or lease, and plant you a few tomatoes in, or something. And we're waiting on a buddy, our friend Chuck Hopkins, and he's going to be over here, and we're going to fly some drone. So stay tuned.
I'm trying to get it. It's longer than a football.
That's the ceiling altitude for this area. They got me restricted.
Oh, really? I got 2 planes going over that. I don't think that'll be a problem.
Oh, no. No, I can get up there, though.
What about that tower over there? Oh, we just go over and avoid it?
Where? What time?
Right over there.
Now I'm over the...
Dagu.
Siam.
Awa.
Psycho.
Siam.
Headwind.
Right on your head. Well, we had a good day flying, didn't we, Wayne?
Yeah.
Yeah, flew over the... Had a good time. Son, this is the old mighty Mississippi. Mississippi River, the old man. Deep River. My home is over Jordan. What did I see? Coming to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot.